Good morning. This is ninth and 10th grade career education, and I am Miss Lively. Let's begin to talk about research and resources. We've been talking about resources in last week's assignment, but let's go a little bit deeper. Job research, career research. What's the difference? Are they the same? Well, I'll tell you. Career research helps you identify types of careers that match your skills, interests, and abilities. Whereas a job research only identifies specific job openings and opportunities for employment. Whereas career, you're thinking about future, and job, you're thinking about maybe immediately, what can I do right now? So where do we start in our resources? First, you need to organize. Oh, and did I say organize? You need to set up networking files to keep track of each contact. For example, you would list the name of the person, what their occupation is, their email, mailing address, and phone number. Next, you would need to know or remember the kind of contact they are. Are they personal? Are they a friend? Did you meet them through a friend of a friend? Are they family? Then you want to put the date and time of each phone call and what the conversation is about. If you contacted this person, maybe it was through email. Maybe you contacted a friend to find out about a certain job opening that is happening. Be specific when you're putting all your things together so you can always go back and check. Next, you can use online resources such as company websites. You can learn a lot about a company just from their website, including what they do, the backgrounds of people who work there, and who to contact in each department. You can use government sites. These are like corporations, government agency list information, and job openings. There's also government websites that provide job openings. You can try to look up industry sites. Many industries and industry associations have websites that list job opportunities. For example, if you're interested in as a career as a social worker, you can look up for that position on www.socialworkjobblank.com. Online job agencies is another one. Companies such as monsters.com or careerbuilder.com list job openings and let you upload your resume for employers to look at. There's also Indeed, or you could find other ones that I'm sure you're familiar with. Next would be social networking sites. You can use social networking sites such as Facebook to meet contacts and learn about jobs. Also, Instagram. Yes, who would have thought? There are groups of people in certain careers or who work for specific companies. Employers join these sites as well. They look forward to potential employees based on their personal profile you create. So be mindful of what we do on social media because you never know when you might need to use it for other things. So here's the first part of your assignment. If you're going to network, you should be organized. Remember I said that on the previous slides? You'll need to list 3 people that you would network with and start a directory. Please list their name, occupation, email, and a brief note of how you know the person. For example, if you were to use me as one of your contacts, it would be Miss Lively, career education teacher, my email, and you would put that you had me as your teacher. The second part of your assignment would be in a paragraph in 5 to 6 sentences. Tell me what are the benefits of using online resources in a career job search. For example, maybe it's easier for you to find job openings online than it would be for you to just go to places and ask if they're hiring. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Your assignment should be emailed to me and they will be due on Thursday. All right, guys, until next time, have a good day.